Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to do another look using the Vault collection by Morphe and Jaclyn Hill. And today I'm going to be using Bling Boss. Get it out. Yes, so Bling Boss. I love when those little papers fly out. This look is definitely out of my comfort zone, but for those of you who like to wear darker eyes and this one was just fun to do. It's fun to blend and create. So if you guys do like it and want to see how to create it, please keep watching. So I'm going to start by priming my eyelids with Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. And I'm actually just going to blend that onto my lid using a beauty blender. I'm going to set that using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'm going to take this on the Huda Beauty's Face Bacon Blend brush. This side is super dirty, but I'm going to be using it. So for our eyeshadow today, I'm going to be going in with Morphe by Jaclyn Hill's Bling Boss palette from the Vault. It looks like this. So I'm going to do a purpley look, and I'm going to start by using Hush Hush as my transition shade. So I'm going to go in with this color using this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH30 Fluffy Blending Brush. And you want to go almost all the way up to the brow bone so that this color will still show once we put on more colors. We want it to like transition down. The next color I'm going to go in with is Rockstar. And I'm going to keep that a little bit lower than Hush Hush. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH36 crease brush. These brushes are really nice for blending, I'm going to be honest. Kind of angle it up, so I like shove it up into my crease and press it against my bone to blend these two together. Still trying to keep it a little bit lower than Hush Hush. I'm just going to take whatever's left on that brush that we used for Hush Hush and just blend out any line. So next I'm going to deepen that up a little bit with Mystic. And I'm going to keep that even lower using this Makeup Forever 218 brush. We're going to really focus this on the outer V and right in the crease. And then I'm just going to go in with some Berry Treasure. And again, I'm just going to focus that on the outer and directly in the crease. You can use that same Rockstar brush just to make sure it's all blended out nicely. And same with Hush Hush. So lastly, I'm going to put Gem on my lid and blend that into Berry Treasure. I'm going to go in with a flat concealer brush for this, and I'm going to be using Anastasia Beverly Hills A2. Then I'm going to go back in with Berry Treasure and blend these together. For my inner corner, I'm just going to go in with Ballsy, and I'm going to use my pinky. So before we do eyelashes or anything, I'm just going to move on to my face and do that. So for my primer, I'm going to be using Too Faced Hangover Replenishing Base Primer. This is the coconut water one. And doing your eyes before your face makeup is a tad stressful. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using Covergirl's True Blend Matte Made Foundation. And this is in T30. And I'm going to mix a little bit of MAC's Hyperreal Foundation. And this one is Rose Gold into it. Just to give it a little bit of shimmer. So just like that, I'm just going to mix them up. And if you want to just get closer to your brows, because I always find it super hard, I'm just going to take that concealer brush and just blend in some foundation right above the brows. So now I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm going to be using MAC's new Studio Fix 24 Hour Smooth Wear Concealer. And I'm going to go in with the shade A58. And I'm gonna go in with that Huda Beauty powder again to set this. I'm just gonna set the rest of my face using that same powder on this big fluffy brush. So I'm gonna blend some shadow under my eye. So I'm gonna start by just putting some Hush Hush in there using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A6 blending brush. Using this Morphe by Jaclyn Hill JH43 brush, it's a really thin brush, I'm gonna go in with Rockstar and just smudge that on the bottom. And using that Hush Hush brush, I'm just gonna blend it out. Using that same brush, I'm going to take some Berry Treasure and do the exact same thing, but keep it higher. I'm just going to use this Morphe S20 clean pencil brush to blend these colors out. Take a little bit more Rockstar. Make sure that's blended under the Berry Treasure. Also gonna take some Hush Hush and make sure that's in there too. So for lashes, I'm gonna be going in with Velour lashes in Here to Slay. They look like that. They're a little bit messed up. So now for mascara, I'm going to be using Lancome's Hypnose Drama. So to finish off this look, I'm going to contour my face using MAC's Medium Dark to Dark Studio Fix Sculpt and Shape Contour Palette. I'm going to go in with Shade Stir first and then Shadow. With Shade Stir, I'm just going to warm up my face a little bit. And next I'm going to take a little bit of shadowy. I'm also going to use shadowy to contour my nose on this Sigma E45 brush. And I'm going to take some Soft Focus, which is the banana colored. Put that in the light parts. Then I'm going to use my under eye brush, the Bacon Blend, and I'm going to use, I guess, the baking side. To just kind of blend that out. So next I'm going to go with some blush. I'm going to be using Morphe's blush palette. This is the HC Cool Pro. And I'm going to go in with It Girl. Next up is highlight. And today I'm going to be using MAC's Whisper of Guilt Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And it's this nice light champagne color. I'm gonna use this on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A23 highlighting brush. For my nose, I'm going to be using this A25 brush. And the Cupid bow as always. I'm also going to use this on my brow bone. So lastly, I'm just going to apply my lips, and I'm going to be using Huda Beauty's Demi Matte in Day Slayer. I don't know why she's crying. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. So this look was completely out of my comfort zone. I do not know how I feel about it. I don't know if I love it or hate it. I feel like it's good. It's just a lot. So it's definitely going to take a lot to get used to, but hopefully you guys still liked it. I don't know. It's so weird. Okay. Well, thank you guys again for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one.